Prep 2. Today we'll talk about the last lesson of our curriculum, which talks about extinction. Okay, I have some images. The first one, it looks like elephant, but it's not an elephant. It's called mammoth, and it's not found now. The second one, it's not a chick. It's called dodo bird. It's not found anymore. Another picture for dodo bird, dinosaurs, and quagga. All of these are extinct species. They are not found now. Okay? Extinction means the continuous decrease in the number of individuals of a species without compensating till all the individuals of a species become dead. What's meant by individuals and what's meant by species? I am a human individual and you are a human individual. Together we are called human species. Okay? We have dog species which contains many individuals which are dogs. Okay? Now we'll talk about the types of extinction in the old age extinction and recent age extinction. Okay? In the old age, from the examples of extinct species, the first one is mammoth and dinosaurs. Dinosaurs and mammoths are from the extinct species in the old ages. Recent extinction, like dodo bird and quagga. So when I ask you, complete space and space are from the extinct species in old ages, you will say dinosaur and mammoth. Okay? In the recent age, you will say dodo bird and the quagga. If I asked you from the extinct species in the recent age or extinct bird in the recent age, you will say dodo bird. Okay? An extinct mammal in the recent age, you will say quagga. What is this? Dodo bird. Okay. Give reason, extinction of dodo bird, because it has a small wings as we see, so it can't fly. Okay. And it was an easy target for the hunters to be captured. Reasons for extinction. In the old ages and in the recent ages, we have different reasons. Old ages like meteorites from the sky, meteorites, okay? Violent earth movement, earthquakes, for example, and long glacial ages, long ice ages, no food, so many species died. Number 4, volcanic eruptions. When volcano occurs in some place, it produces toxic gases, which can eliminate a whole species. Recent extinction. The reasons for recent extinction, mainly it's related to the human activities. We are the main reason for the extinction now. Okay, like destruction of habitats, cutting trees, for example. Okay, overgrazing, overhunting, to hunt more than you need. Okay, overhunting and pollution. All these reasons cause extinction in the recent age. Okay. I have some examples of endangered species. What's meant by endangered species? Their number is less than normal number. For example, if the normal number of rhino is 1,000, now they are about 50. Okay, so they are endangered species. They may be extinct species soon. Okay, I have rhino, Barbary sheep, bald eagle. I have panda, ibis bird, panda and ibis bird. Okay. And papyrus plant that was used by pharaohs in making papers. All of these are called endangered species. They are not extinct species, they are endangered. Bald eagle, give reason. Bald eagle is named bald. Why it's called bald eagle? Because its head is covered with white feathers. Papyrus is used in manufacturing of papers. Papyrus plant, which is endangered plant. Okay. Food chain, another concept. What's meant by food chain? Let's check. I have grass, and the grass will be eaten by grasshopper, and then a bird will eat grasshopper, and then snake will eat bird, then owl will eat the snake. Okay. If the grasshopper disappeared, all of them will die. Okay, this is called food chain. The main source of energy is green plant. When the grasshopper eats green plant, it takes energy from green plant. Then The bird eats grasshopper to take energy, and so the energy transfers from one living organism to another. This is called food chain. So food chain means the transfer of energy from one living organism to another. Food web, more than one food chain connected together. More than one food chain connected together. Maybe I eat more than one type, okay? So I may participate in more than one food chain. This is called a food web. Ecosystem. Ecosystem is living organisms and non-living things found in a place. For example, I have simple ecosystems and complicated ecosystems. Simple ecosystem, ecosystem that has a few members, few species, not many, like desert. Desert has living organisms like some insects, cactus, for example, some snakes, okay, living organisms. And the non-living things like sand, rocks, water, air, okay. So desert is an ecosystem because it has living organisms and non-living things, okay. Simple ecosystem and complicated ecosystem. Simple ecosystem has a few members, while complicated ecosystem has many members, okay. Examples: desert ecosystem, forest ecosystem, okay. Effect of extinction. What happens if one species became extinct, the species in simple ecosystem or in complicated ecosystem, okay. Effect of extinction on simple ecosystem, it may destroy the whole system. Why? Greatly affected, give reason, because no alternatives. When the insect disappear, there are no alternatives to replace the insect in the food chain, okay. In complicated ecosystem, I have many types. So when one type disappears, another one can replace its place, okay, can take its place. Not much affected by extinction of one species because it has many alternatives, okay. How to protect endangered species from extinction? If I have endangered species like panda, Barbary sheep, bald eagles, papyrus plant, how to protect them from extinction? Number 1, putting rules for hunting. Number 2, gene banks. Number 3, breeding the endangered species in specific places. Number 4, establishing natural protectorate. Number 4, the most important point, establishing natural protectorates, okay. What's meant by natural protectorate? Protectorate means a safe place for living organisms. Protectorate, okay. Natural protectorate, to protect them in their homeland, okay. So natural protectorate means safe places to protect the endangered species in their homeland, okay. Now I have some examples of protectorates. The first one is bluestone protectorate, which is found in USA, and it protects gray bear, okay. Panda protectorate, it's found in northeast China, and it protects panda bear. Ras Muhammad protectorate, the most important one, Ras Muhammad protectorate, South Sinai, and it protects rare colored fish and rare coral reefs. Wadi Hitam protectorate, it's found in Al Fayoum, and it protects skeletons for whales since 40 million years ago, okay. Note that Ras Muhammad protectorate is the first protectorate in Egypt. The first protectorate in Egypt is called Ras Muhammad protectorate, okay. Thank you for watching. I hope you understood it, and thank you.